Kapali Čaršija ili ti Grand Bazaar, nezaobilazna je turistička destinacija svakog tko posjeti Istanbul. Ovo će mjesto zadovoljiti apetite i najizbirljivijih šopingholičara. Na Kapali Čaršiji nema čega nema, ili kako se voli reći, ovdje ćete pronaći sve, od igle do lokomotive.
We will sell perfume oil, natural, not chemical. For example, this oil, jasmine, lemongrass and rosemary. But this oil from antelope. This is animal one.
From the antelope?
Antelope, you know?
Okay, white musk.
White musk. Those are very expensive, but it's perfect smell.
Nice. How much does it cost, a bottle of this?
This, each milliliter 20 lira.
Evo, ova bočica maloga parfema košta negdje oko 10 eura.
Kapali Čaršija raj je za kavoljupce. Čaršijom se širi neodoljiv miris crnog napitka.
So what is traditional recipe to make Turkish coffee?
For 1 cups cold water in here. After for 1 cups, 1 small teaspoon one time. Shake after boiling. It's minimum 2-3 minutes you can boil it.
You put the coffee and the sugar in the cold water.
Yes, it's better.
Osim po kavi i čajevima, Turska je domovina mnogih mirodija kojima obogaćujemo razna jela.
This spice for using barbecue, you know Turkish kebab?
Yes.
This is Turkish kebab spice. Inside 20 different spice. Saffron, garlic, everything is 20 different spice.
Informacija radi, ovaj začin je vrlo sličan jednom poznatom našem začinu kojega nećemo reklamirati ovoga puta. Među brojnim trgovinama naišli smo i na onu u kojoj su bili brojni svjetski celebrity. Među njima i sama Sarah Jessica Parker. Pa pogledajmo što je ona kupila unutra.
She bought lots of blankets, 9 pieces. She came with her husband, Matthew Broderick.
And how much does it cost, one blanket?
One is almost $500-600 start and goes to $3,000.
$3,000.
Some of them. Silk.
Can you show us?
Look, those are.
Oh, this one is beautiful.
Those are quite expensive. Sarah, she bought a few of this, yeah, and she bought 9 of these pieces. It's cost more than $10,000. No.
But you also had celebrities like
Candice Bergen. She was a good customer. Udo Kier, it's a very famous actor, a Hollywood actor. Eric Bogosian, Jade Jagger, the daughter of the Mick Jagger, Rolling Stones. Candice Bergen, okay, she bought a chatouche. This is amazing high quality scarf. Yes, very expensive. It's quite expensive.
Very soft.
Yes, and warm. Yes. Yeah. This is the best category of the shawl. We call it chatouche, made by antelope beard.
And how much does it cost?
Each is more than $1,000.
$1,000.
More than $1,000.
Domovina 1001 noći nadaleko je poznata i po proizvodnji najboljih čilima, koji krase domove širom svijeta.
They make on village. There is a loom, carpet loom. They make them from there. Depends, but if they make kilim, there is a different loom. If they make carpets, different loom.
Ako ste pomislili da ćete na Grand Bazaru proći jeftino, pogriješili ste. Naime, evo, ovaj jedan tepih košta oko $7,000.
Completely handmade, 100%. In Grand Bazaar you cannot find machine made. All of them is handmade.
And how much does it cost?
Depends. Start the price $100 up to $10,000.
Who are the best buyers?
American.
Ovo je mjesto i meka za kopije poznatih brendova, s obzirom na to da se takozvani lažnjaci razlikuju prema kvaliteti izrade i cijene im variraju. Za 100 eura možete kupiti Gucci, napisan po vuku, a za 300 eura postaćete vlasnik vjerne kopije Prade.
Can you tell me, is that original or fake?
Not original, fake, but yes, but genuine fake.
Radi se o pravoj koži, a cijena je, how much does it cost?
$300.
$300.
Yes.
Is that original?
Original copy.
Are you maybe afraid that police is gonna come and they say it's not original? You must.
If it is from Turkish, yeah, you are right, but you are not from Turkish.
A bez daha će vas zasigurno ostaviti zlatarnice Kapali Čaršije. Predmeti od zlata zadivit će vas prepoznatljivom turskom izradom, ali i povoljnom cijenom. Na mjestu koje smo posjetili pazarili su i neki poznati stanovnici Lijepe naše.
Ovdje Tarek Filipović, ovaj je moj gazda Ređo. Ovdje ima isto familija Tarek Filipović i Lejla. onaj mis.
A potom je uslijedilo iznenađenje dana. Sasvim slučajno doznali smo i tko se na istom mjestu snabdijeva broševima. Ne, nije riječ o Madeleine Albright.
I ima onaj ministar, Jadranka. Samo broš kupio i šalovi, onaj pašmina.
Na mjestu na kojem premijerka dopunjava svoju bogatu kolekciju broševa, završili smo šetnju neodoljivom Kapali Čaršijom.